Okay, let's it's done a bit, and let's go back to the overview, and there is the recent transactions it has received at that public address 1GU. That's the 0.005 that I sent from Coinbase. I have one available and one pending, and I will have 0.01 bitcoins available, but not right now. Available, I've only got 0.005. That's what was there before. Pending is another 0.005. So these are transactions that I was, practicing this. Okay, so that was how we did receive. Now the next step will be we're going to send. This, however, I want to wait until it's done pending. It takes about 6 blocks or 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes, another block is added to the blockchain, Bitcoin's blockchain, and it'll take about 6 confirmations, and then that will be acceptable. To use. It'll be available. So what we're going to do then, or what I'm going to do, is send this back to Coinbase. And I click on send, and it's pay to, well, what's the address that I want to send it to? Well, I'll have to get that. I'll have to go back to Coinbase and get that address, and then I'll just paste it in here and then say the amount. You can also, here we get into fees too. So we'll talk a little bit about fees, but the fees to send this, about $50, was very, very small. So, but anyway, when we get back, when this gets confirmed, I'll continue. We'll send it back. Okay, that's it for now, I think. Thanks for watching.